Alright, in this video tutorial we're going to go over installing Microsoft Remote Desktop to enable access to our BE-CAD server where the Revit program is located. First thing you want to do is click on the Apple icon and go to the App Store. So we're going to need to download the application called Microsoft Remote Desktop. It may ask you to log in with your credentials at this time. I'm already logged in. In the search bar, just type Microsoft Remote. Hit enter, and it should bring up the Microsoft Remote Desktop app. You click on install. Typically this is where it will ask you for your iTunes credentials. Just go ahead and type them in and it'll go ahead and install the program inside of your applications folder automatically. And once that's done, we'll see that it now says we can open. So we'll go ahead down to our launch pad. Something you can do to make this more convenient is you can drag and drop this icon right onto your dock so that later on you can access it right from your dock. You can always access it from the launch pad or through your applications folder as normal. Alright, so click on Microsoft Remote Desktop and you'll notice we have a clean slate. There are no remote sessions available, no remote desktops to connect to on a fresh install. We're going to add a new PC because we're actually connecting to a Microsoft Windows PC. The connection name, we can call it BE-CAD or Revit. Typically, I like to name the connection the same as the PC name. The PC name is specifically BE-CAD. There's no gateway. Under the username, you're going to want to type BEHS. That's going to be for everyone. And then the slash. And then your unique username assigned by your teacher. It'll begin CAD, and it will have a number. For this tutorial, I'll use CAD01. So BEHS/CAD01. The password is going to be all capitals, CAD, and the number that's assigned to you. So user number 1 will be CAD01. Once you've entered that information correctly, just make sure you haven't typed it in wrong. BE-CAD is the name of the computer. This is the username, and you've got the password. So you can go ahead and click that X to close it. And once you double click, it's going to negotiate with the remote connection, ask you to say yes, you want to connect, say continue, and it's going to actually log you in. So now your desktop is going to look like this. It's going to appear the same as if this was a Windows machine. You'll notice there's a link to the AutoCAD shortcut on the desktop. To access Revit, you can click on the Start menu, you can click on the bottom arrow, and you can scroll over to Revit 2016. So first time in, it's going to say yes, you want to collect data, say OK. It's going to give you this graphics acceleration warning. You can just say OK. And now you're in Autodesk Revit on your Mac. And now you can close the program. And now this is an important step here to log out of the remote session. You might be like, how do I get back to my Mac? Because you basically got a Windows desktop. You click on the window, you click on your user account and say sign out, and it will log you off the Windows machine and eventually bring you back to your desktop. There you go. So again, create the BE-CAD account. Once that's done, you can double click on it. It will bring you into the Windows Server environment where you can then load the Revit program.